Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best camper trailer light plug is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components for any caravanning adventure, ensuring your trailer's lights function flawlessly for safety and compliance on the road. This small but mighty accessory connects your vehicle's electrical system to your trailer's lighting, managing everything from brake lights and turn signals to tail lights, and a reliable plug is paramount for preventing electrical issues and ensuring you can travel with peace of mind. Without a properly functioning light plug, you risk not only fines but also serious safety hazards due to malfunctioning signals, making its selection and maintenance a top priority for any discerning traveler. Number 5. MICTUNING 8 feet 7-way trailer cord with junction box. Tired of messy trailer wires? This heavy-duty plug and junction box offers a simplified and organized solution for all your trailer wiring needs. With color-coded poles and a sturdy junction box, connecting your trailer lights like turn signals, brake lights, and tail lights is a breeze. Constructed with a flame-proof ABS box and good conductivity copper, this unit is strong, rugged, and built for durability on the road. Enjoy ample flexibility with an 8-foot-long cord, providing more than enough reach to connect your vehicle and trailer, unlike shorter options. Featuring sealed grommets, this junction box is waterproof, dustproof, and corrosion-resistant, ensuring reliable performance in any condition. You'll receive the 7-way trailer plug with junction box, multiple grommets for customization, and a protective waterproof cover. What we like. This heavy-duty trailer plug with a junction box is designed for ultimate wire management. Its 8-foot flexible cord offers superior reach compared to shorter options. If you're looking for a robust and organized wiring solution for your RV or trailer, especially if you need extra length to reach from the front to the rear, this is the one to consider. Number 4. Nilight TL016 Oval Red LED Tail Light. Introducing the Nilight TL01, a pair of 6-inch oval red LED tail lights designed for superior visibility. These lights offer exceptional brightness, ensuring your safety on the road, day or night. Installation is a breeze with the included surface mount grommets and a 3-prong watertight plug. Simply mount the lights and connect the wires for a secure and hassle-free setup. Experience an upgraded, unique design with special features that ensure a perfect and firm fit. These lights stay securely in place, eliminating worries about loosening or wire detachment. Built to withstand the elements, these lights boast an IP65 waterproof rating. They are ready to perform reliably in any weather condition you encounter. Designed for 12V DC systems, they are perfect for a wide range of vehicles including trucks, trailers, tractors, and more. Ensure the hole size matches your vehicle before purchase. What we like. These oval red LED tail lights offer exceptional brightness for enhanced safety on the road. Their unique design ensures a secure fit, preventing shaking and loose connections. If you prioritize visibility and a reliable, weather-resistant light that's easy to install on your truck or trailer, these lights are an excellent choice. What people say. The trailer light plug is a direct replacement for the original. It fits perfectly and is easy to install. The plug is well made and durable. Number 3. Nilight 6 oval and 2 round LED trailer light boxes. Introducing a complete trailer light guard box set, perfect for your new or existing trailer. It provides essential stop, turn, and tail lighting functions. Built with heavy-duty steel and a protective black powder-coated finish, these boxes are designed to withstand all weather elements. They are ready for direct welding or bolting onto your trailer frame. Equipped with high-quality SMD LEDs, these lights offer superior brightness for stop and turn signals, and a clear low-level light for tail and side marker functions. This significantly enhances your visibility for safer night driving. The wiring is color-coded for straightforward installation. White is for ground, black for tail side marker, and red for stop-turn signals. Everything you need is included in this set, with the lights already mounted in the boxes. Simply connect the pigtail wires to your trailer's wiring and attach the boxes to the frame. What we like. This kit provides a complete trailer light solution with durable steel housing and bright LED lights. It's designed for easy mounting and hardwiring, making it a straightforward upgrade. If you need a sturdy, all-in-one tail light and side marker light system for your trailer that can withstand the elements, this integrated box kit is ideal. What people say. The trailer light plug is a direct fit and works perfectly. Easy to install and the wiring is straightforward. Seems to be a good quality product that should last. Number 2. RVGUARD 7-way trailer cord with junction box kit. Introducing the RVGUARD 7-way trailer cord with junction box kit. It offers a fast and simplified way to connect your trailer wires, keeping everything organized and in order. This kit features 7 color-coded wires with durable insulation for convenient wiring. The color coding is designed for most standard trailer wiring setups, ensuring an easy connection. Ensure safer towing with the included breakaway switch. It connects your vehicle to the trailer's battery and brakes, instantly engaging them if the trailer disconnects, preventing dangerous situations. Constructed with 100% copper wire and a rugged PVC housing, it provides flexibility and durability. Its weatherproof and corrosion-resistant design ensures a long lifespan for reliable use. Perfect for connecting various functions like tail lights, brake signals, and auxiliary power for your trailers, RVs, campers, and other towed vehicles. It's a versatile solution for all your towing needs. What we like. This trailer cord kit stands out with its integrated 12V breakaway switch for enhanced towing safety. It features a heavy-duty 8-foot cord and a weatherproof junction box for reliable connections. If safety is your top priority and you want the added security of an automatic braking system in case of trailer detachment, this kit is a must-have. What people say. The trailer plug is a direct replacement for the original and fits perfectly. It's a sturdy and well-made plug that feels like it will last a long time. The wiring is clearly labeled, making installation straightforward. Number 1. RV Tail Lights 57 LED US Flag Design. Introducing a unique US flag design for your RV trailer lights. These lights offer 4 essential functions: running, turn signal, brake, and license plate illumination, giving your vehicle a stylish look on the road. Built to last, these lights feature an IP67 waterproof rating thanks to a tightly sealed lens and rear shell. With a 50,000-hour lifespan and an upgraded cooling system, they are designed to perform reliably in all conditions. Equipped with 57 high-intensity LEDs, including 24 bright red chips for main functions and additional white LEDs for the license plate. They provide exceptional brightness and stability for enhanced visibility and safety. Installation is straightforward with 3 color-coded wires for easy connection: black for negative, red for brake turn signals, and yellow for running lights. Mounting holes allow for surface mounting, typically completed within 20 minutes. This versatile tail light kit is compatible with most 12V vehicles, including campers, trailers, trucks, UTVs, pickups, and boats, making them a perfect upgrade for a wide range of applications. Each package contains 2 RV LED tail lights, a set of screws, and an installation instruction manual for your convenience. What we like. Add a unique flair to your RV or trailer with these US flag-designed LED tail lights. They boast 57 high-intensity LEDs for superior visibility and are IP67 waterproof for extreme durability. If you're looking to upgrade your trailer with a stylish, highly visible, and long-lasting lighting solution that performs in all conditions, these lights are a fantastic option. What people say. The trailer light plug is a direct replacement for the original. It fits perfectly and is easy to install. The plug is made of durable material and seems like it will last a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.